Hi everybody. For math this week, we are going to start our work with fractions. So your math slide for Tuesday and then Wednesday and Thursday looks like this. So you have your extra math for your math fact time, and the rest of the time you will see this box, and that is it. So you're going to be learning and practicing with fractions. You're going to use the Google Slides that are linked here. So you're going to click here to get to the Google Slides, and then you should be watching this video right now to learn about my expectations. So the Google Slides, once you click here, will open up and will look like this. And the slides are broken up into topics about fractions. So you have introduction to fractions, unit fractions, fraction bars, fractions on a number line, fractions greater than 1, which are also and improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Sorry, fractions greater than 1 are often written as improper fractions, or they are written as mixed numbers. So that's why you see all those words up there. And then you are going to be comparing some fractions. So what my expectations are for this week and going into next week are that you use these slides to learn and practice about fractions. So on the left side of each slide, you will see video lessons. So we'll put a little box around that so you can see it a little easier, and we'll put a little box around that. So the video lessons on the left side. You do not have to watch every single one of these videos, but my expectation is that you are watching enough of the videos to learn the information. So if you have some background about fractions already, maybe the introduction to fractions videos aren't all necessary. But I expect that you are watching enough to learn about fractions for each topic on each slide. So that being said, you have plenty of time. There is no rush. The videos are not that long. So a 3 or 4 minute video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this slide, will take you most of one day. The online practice on the right side of each slide take you to different places to practice this skill, introduction to fractions. So these different links take you to activities to practice the introduction to fraction. On the unit fraction slide, you'll see video lessons, and you'll see a note on this one that says be sure to watch this video. So make sure you watch this one. And then you have practice activities. So each day or each slide has a topic and practice activities. So watch the videos, learn about the topic, practice the activities, and you can play these games as many times as you need to practice the activity. And then during math group, when you're with me, we will practice these same skills. So we'll be talking about fractions, we'll be talking about unit fractions, we'll be talking about fractions on number lines. So we'll be doing additional lessons and practice in math group, but this is for your independent time. So each day for math, you're going to get in and pick up where you left off the previous day, learning about fractions and practicing your fraction skills. And then during math group, I'll be questioning you, giving you information, giving you lessons, reinforcing this information, and then we'll be moving forward into other fraction topics, other measurement topics, and yes, you will be quizzed and tested on your fraction knowledge, but that is all coming down the line, and there's no deadline. So I don't need you to have all this information learned by Friday, for instance. If you don't get to this comparing fraction slide this week, great, then you'll do it next week. So for your entire math time, work through the slides, use the links to learn and practice, and then we'll talk about it during math group. If you have questions while you're working on this, come see me in my office hours. Otherwise, that is your math work for the near future. Thank you.